What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with TechDaily, and we are back checking out some great cases for the new Samsung Galaxy S10 lineup. This time we've got my all-time favorite case company, RhinoShield, launching their super popular SolidSuit and CrashGuard series for the S10 and S10 Plus. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know how much I enjoy RhinoShield products. I have a RhinoShield case on my iPhone XR that I use every day, and I'll continue to recommend their products time and time again because not only are they phenomenal cases, but for what they are, I think they're a great value too. These cases for the S10 and S10 Plus will be available in the coming weeks, and you can also pick up the CrashGuard series for the S10e too. Pre-orders are up right now if you want to be the first to get your hands on them, and I'll leave links to all these cases down below in the video description, so check down there so you don't miss out. For now though, let's go ahead and check these cases out, and I'll give you a bit of a comparison as well so you can be sure to get the right case for your needs. So first up, we've got the SolidSuit series here, and I actually have two different styles. The classic black, which is, like the name suggests, just a super plain all black case with no texture, no design, no nothing. And the other is RhinoShield's super popular carbon fiber finish, which has a textured carbon fiber look across the back of the case. For this series of cases, RhinoShield also offers a plain white color, a leather variety, and the option of having a special pattern, design, or print on the back, either from their large collection of pre-made options or by using their customizer, where you can add your own text. So there's plenty of styles and options here for finding the perfect case for you. The SolidSuit series is a single piece case that's made from RhinoShield's proprietary shock spread polymer blend, which is basically a fancy way of saying a combination of rubber and plastic. The case is firm enough to hold its shape, but it's still flexible enough to give just a bit, which makes things easy when you want to take it on and off the phone. But beyond just a little manhandling, the shock spread material is actually incredibly tough. You can twist it, pull it, stretch it, just torture it however you want, and it's more than likely not going to get damaged. And while the case is definitely tough, the real magic is RhinoShield's honeycomb design on the inside and along the edges. This unique texture is designed to absorb the impact in the event of a fall and acts as sort of a cushion to protect the device. This is a setup that RhinoShield has incorporated for years now on their cases, and it's one thing in particular that really sets them apart. They'll withstand up to an 11-foot drop, which is way more than most people would need anyway. The cases are completely stain resistant and easy to clean, and all in all, just a really durable and rugged case that lasts a long time. The classic black finish has a slight rubbery, soft touch feel, while the carbon fiber has just a bit of a texture, but the rest of the cases, along with the white and leather varieties, are all set up the same way. You've got a complete raised edge and lip to protect the screen in the event of a fall, which is a must-have for any case in my opinion. Covered buttons on both sides, which don't affect functionality at all, and precise individual cutouts for the headphone jack, speaker, and USB-C port on the bottom as well. And while the SolidSuit series is a pretty decent case as far as its size, it's still relatively slim and can easily be used with one-handed use. It's basically the maximum amount of coverage for your device without intruding in your day-to-day use. RhinoShield has grown to become a super popular brand these last few years, and the SolidSuit case is a perfect reason why. These are a really great value, while basically being the case to beat as far as quality and protection. If you want to show off your shiny new phone a bit more though, RhinoShield also offers their CrashGuard bumper series for the S10 and S10 Plus. And actually, this is my favorite case of the two. It may not look like much, but this flexible frame can offer nearly the same amount of protection as a full case. And obviously, you have the opportunity to have your phone nearly naked. The CrashGuard bumper case is made from the exact same material as the SolidSuit case, with the shock spread polymer blend, which makes it flexible enough but still incredibly tough. And in recent years, RhinoShield has made improvements to their bumper case to make them easier to pop on and off the phone, and also last longer too if you end up doing that often. As far as impact absorption, you've got that same honeycomb pattern on the inside edges that'll absorb the blow and dissipate some of the energy if your phone smacks the ground. And on the device, you can see that you have the opportunity to show off the back of your phone, which is great, especially if you got a fun new color like the flamingo pink here. But having the back sort of exposed doesn't necessarily subject the phone to any additional danger. The bumper case not only extends all the way around the corners and edges of the phone, but it's also raised a bit across the back and the front. So as long as it's a flat surface, no part of your phone is making any contact with anything. And if you are worried about that, RhinoShield offers protectors for the screen and the rear of the phone, so you can still be a little safer while still getting to show off everything. The rest of the bumper is set up identical to the SolidSuit case, with covered buttons that are just as easy to use, and proper individual cutouts for all the important stuff along the bottom. Like I said earlier, this is actually the case I prefer, simply because it offers nearly the same amount of protection while leaving you with the opportunity to still rock a fun color. In the hand, you've got just a little bit of extra bulk on the sides of the phone obviously, but once again, it certainly isn't the type of case that's going to get in the way. Whichever RhinoShield case you decide on, you're going to be getting an awesome product at a great price. And your super expensive phone is going to be protected from just about everything. Like I said, for me personally, RhinoShield has been my case of choice for a number of years now, and they've really expanded their product line to offer a ton of great stuff. If you're interested, I'll have links to everything down below, and I definitely recommend checking out some of the styles and custom options they offer. They have a much wider selection of stuff than people think, and there's really something for everyone. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think of these new RhinoShield cases down below in the comments, and also let me know what case you're currently rocking on your own phone too. Also, be sure to follow TechDaily on Twitter and subscribe to the TechDaily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.